Welcome to TVK Career Point. So here is internship opportunity, summer internship opportunity. So from the Fractal, so you can see the details. So the location is Chennai. So to apply this internship, last date is December 16th. That is tomorrow. So immediately apply for it if you are interested. You can go through the internship details. Duration is 2 months and year of passing 2026. Eligibility is BTech all branches. Joining month May or June 2025. Interns may work in domains such as research, dashboard preparation, prototype development and all. Joining location Bombay, Bangalore, Gurgaon, Chennai, Pune. Internship type paid, work mode hybrid. Accommodation and relocation support are not included as part of internship. Skill set required: communication, problem solving, analytical, Python, Java, C++, AML, etc. So evaluation process: aptitude and coding, technical and HR. Each round will be an elimination round. So screening timeline 17th to 31st December. So that is day after tomorrow to end of this month. Online assessment will be 1st January to 8th January. Interviews will be from 10th Jan onwards. So this is the clear information. If you are interested, you can apply for it and share to all your friends. Like the video for better reach. Thank you all.